Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss one more question, that is draw a DFA to accept a string of A's and B's ending with a string ABB. In the previous video we have discussed starting with a string, and here we are going to discuss with the ending with a string. So let us consider a first step. What is the first step says? We need to identify the minimum string. Here the minimum string is given as ABB. Minimum string is given as ABB. In order to accept that string, how many states we require? Require state 1, state 2 and state 3. State 1, state 2, state 3. This is the starting state. I will name it as Q0, Q1 and Q2. Q1, Q0, Q1 and Q2. Here it is going to accept A, here it is going to accept B. And one more thing, we need to require one more state. We need one more state, that is B. Name it as Q3. I will name it as Q3. Okay. This is the first step. We have written a DFA for the minimum string. This is called as the initial DFA. This is called as the initial DFA. This is called as the acceptance state. This is called as the acceptance state. This is called as the start state. This is called as the start state. Okay, let us go to step 2. Step 2 says that we need to identify the transition which is not found in the step 1. So the given alphabets are A and B. Here A is present already. We need to find B. That is delta Q0 upon accepting B. It is going to reach the which state? We need to identify. Delta Q0 upon accepting B, it is going to reach some state. That state we don't know. Then delta Q1 upon accepting A, it is going to be some state. That also we don't know. Here B is already done. We need to identify A only. So I have written A. Then delta Q2 upon accepting A, because B is already present. That also don't know. Then delta Q3 upon accepting A is going to reach the B state. Then delta delta Q3 upon accepting B, it is going to reach some state. That also don't know. Now let us discuss one by one. That is Q0 upon accepting B, it is going to reach some state. That state we don't know. Let us start with the Q0. Q0 upon accepting B, it is going to reach some state. That state we don't know. We don't know that state. So I will write it as question mark. Then upon accepting A, B, B, we are going to reach the Q3 state. We are going to reach the Q3 state. You may think, what is this ABB? In order to minimize the space, I am writing ABB. You can write Q0 upon accepting A, it is going to reach the Q1 state. Q1 upon accepting B is going to reach the Q2 state. Q2 upon accepting B is going to reach the Q3 state. Like this, it goes on. So, in order to minimize the space, I have written directly something upon accepting ABB. A, B, B. It is going to reach the Q3 state. I have skipped writing Q1 and Q2. Writing Q1 and Q2. So, I have written directly like this. Okay. So, what shall I write here? You only tell me. What shall I write here? If I ask you, shall I write Q1? Shall I write Q1? No, you cannot, because Q0 upon accepting A, Q1 is already present. You cannot go for Q1. Shall I write Q2? From here to here. From here to here. Q2 upon accepting B. Like this. Q0 upon accepting B. Q0 upon accepting B, like this, it is going to Q2. is going to reach the Q2. Q2 upon accept Q0 upon accepting B, it is going to Q2. Is this correct? Shall I write Q2? Some people may say yes. I will say no, because if I write Q0 upon accepting B reaches which state? Q2 state. Then after that B, after this Q0 upon accepting B, it is reaching Q2. Q2 then is upon accepting B, it is reaching Q3. It is reaching Q3. If I write the equation, if I write the transition like this, is this correct? No, because they have clearly mentioned that the string should end with the ABB. The string should end with the ABB. Where is ABB here? Is this correct? Writing it Q2 is a correct way or not? No, it is not a correct way, because it is coming with the BB. Q0 upon accepting B, it is going to reach the Q2 state. Then it is going to, upon accepting B, it is going to reach the Q3 state. It is coming with the string BB. We require that string should end with the ABB, but here the string is ending with the BB. This Q2, rating of Q2 is not correct. K2 rating of Q2 is not good. So Q2 is also eliminated. Q1 also gone. Q1 also gone. Q2 also gone. Remaining Q3. If I write Q3 here, this is the correct way. Q0 upon accepting B directly jumps to the Q3. Directly jumps to the Q3. Suppose if I give an equation like this. If I give an equation like this, B. If I give a string like this B, it is going to accept, but our condition is it should not accept. It should accept only the string ending with the BB. So Q3 also we should not write. We should not write a Q3 also. What we should write then? We should write Q0 only. We should write Q0 only. Did you understand? If you write a Q2 here, from here to here, it is coming with the string PB. Q0 upon accepting B, then upon accepting B, it is going to reach the Q3 state. Even BB also, even string BB also it is going to accept, but it should not accept. It should accept the string ending with the ABB. So writing Q1, Q2, Q3 also wrong. So we should write, what we should write? We should write Q3 only. Sorry, we should write Q0 only. Why you understand? We should write only Q0. I will write it as Q0. As a space is insufficient, I am writing the entire diagram in the step 1 only. You should not write the entire diagram in the step 1. You should write it in the step 2 separately. You should write it in the separate step. Okay. Q0 upon accepting B, it is reaching a, sorry, this one is B. This one is B. Q0 upon accepting B, it is reaching a same state. It is reaching a same state, that is Q0 state. Q0 upon accepting a B, it is going to reach the Q0 state. Okay, first one is completed. Let us go to second one. Q1 upon accepting A. Q1 upon accepting A, starting with the Q0. Q0 upon accepting A, it is going to reach Q1 state. Q1 upon accepting A. Q1 upon accepting A, it is going to reach some state. That state, we don't know that state. We don't know that state. Which state it is going to reach. Then upon that, it is going to accept BB. Then it is going to reach the Q3 state. Why I have written the BB? Do you know why I have written the BB here? Something upon accepting B, it is going to reach the Q2 state. Upon accepting B, it is going to reach the Q3 state. I can write it like that only. In order to reduce the space, I am writing AB directly. Something upon accepting BB. Something upon accepting BB, it is going to reach the Q3 state directly. Okay, finished. Let us see what shall we write here. You only tell me. Q1 upon accepting something. Sorry, Q1 upon accepting A. Q1 upon accepting A. Where should it reach? Shall I write Q2? Shall I write Q2? No, you cannot write because already B is present. Transition of B is present already. You cannot write Q2. Shall I write Q3. Shall I write Q3? Q1 upon accepting A, it is going to directly reach the Q3. Shall I write it? No, because even it is accepting a string with a. The condition is the DFA should not accept only A because it should be ABB. The string should end with a ABB. Then Q3 also fails. Q1 upon accepting A, what should be done? Q2 also not possible. Q3 also not possible. Q0, we shall write it as Q0. I will consider your answer only. I will write it as Q0. Q1 upon accepting A, it is going to reach Q0. Q1 upon accepting A, it is going to reach Q0. Okay, let us consider a string like this. According to the question, this string should be accepted or not. This string should be accepted or not? Yes, it must be accepted. The string should be accepted. But according to this DFA, the string is not going to be accepted. Let us see. Q0 upon accepting A, it is going to reach the Q1 state. Q1 upon accepting A, it is going to reach the Q0 state. It is going to reach the Q0 state. You only tell now, you should write the Q0. It is going to reach the Q0 state. Then Q0 upon accepting B is going to reach the Q0 state. Q0 upon accepting B is going to reach the Q0 state. Now tell me whether it is correct or not. No, this is not a correct. We cannot write Q0 here. Why? For this reason, the particular string is not going to be accepted by a DFA. So we should not write a Q0 here. Q0 also not possible. Okay, Q0 upon accepting A, which one is remaining? Finally, Q1. This is Q1. Q1 is remaining. Q1 upon accepting A, it is going to reach the Q1 state only. So I will write like this. Q1 upon accepting A, it is going to reach the Q1 state only. Okay, sir. Okay. Next, let us go to this one. Q2 upon accepting A, where it is going to reach. Start with the Q0. Q0 upon accepting AB, it is going to reach Q2 state only. Q2 state. This I have skipped this Q1 writing. Q1 I have skipped. Q0 upon accepting AB is going to reach the Q2 directly. Then Q2 upon accepting A, where it is reaching. Q2 upon accepting A, that one we don't know. I will write it as question mark. I will write it as a question mark. So then upon accepting something upon accepting, what is remaining? This B is remaining. Which B is remaining? This B is remaining. Something upon accepting B is going to reach the Q3 state. Did you understand why I am writing B here? This B is remaining. Q2 upon accepting. Q2 upon accepting something, it is going to reach some state. Q2 upon accepting A, it is going to reach some state. The remaining thing is upon accepting B, it is going to reach Q3. Something upon accepting B is going to reach the Q3. We need to find something. That is, what is this? What shall we write here? You only tell me. What shall we write here? You only tell me. We shall write Q2. We shall write Q2. We shall write Q2. Yes, you can write it Q2 because we have done here two things. That one also same only. Here Q0 upon accepting B, it is going to Q0. Q1 upon accepting A, it is going to same state. Here also we shall write like that only. This is correct? No. This is not correct. Why? I will tell. See. Q2 is not possible. Q2 is not possible. Why? Let us see. I will write it as Q2 only. Okay. I will write it as Q2 upon accepting A. Q2 upon accepting A, it is going to reach the Q2 only, as like this previous one. Q2 upon accepting A, it is going to reach Q2 only. I will give a string. I will give a string like this. A, B, A, B. A, B, A, B. I will give a string like this. Whether this string should be accepted or not. Tell me whether this string should be accepted or not. According to me, it should not be accepted because it should end with the ABB. But according to this DFA, it is going to accept. According to this DFA, it is going to accept. Let us start. Q0 upon accepting A, it is going to reach Q1. Q1 upon accepting B, it is going to reach Q2. Q2 upon accepting A, it is going to reach the same state. Then Q2 upon accepting B, it is going to reach the Q3 state. This one is accepted. According to this diagram, according to this DFA, it is accepted. No, you should not be accepted because it is ending with a D, A, B, B. So the assumption of DFA, the DFA which we have written is wrong. So we should not write a Q2 here. Hence we should not write a Q2 here. Okay, Q2 over. Then what we shall write? Q3. We shall write Q3. If I write a Q3, A, B, let us write it. Let us write only. Let us write Q2 upon accepting A. Q3 is going to reach the Q3. A, B, A. A, B is accepting. Let's consider a string like this. A, B, A. This string is accepted by a DFA. Whether this string should be accepted or not. No, it should not be accepted. The string should end with the A, B, B only. The string should end with the A, B, B only. But it is accepting. If you write a Q3 here, it is accepting Q0 upon accepting A. Q0 upon accepting A, Q1, Q1 upon accepting B, Q2, Q2 upon accepting this A is going to reach the Q3. It is accepting. No, it should not accept. So Q3 also wrong. Then remaining Q1. We shall see Q1 later. Q0. We shall see Q0. Q0. Q2 upon accepting A. Upon accepting A. Upon accepting A, it is going to reach the Q0 state. We shall see A, B, A, B, B, A, B. You can see the equation like this: A, B, A, B, B. According to me, or according to the question, this should be accepted. But according to this diagram, this is not accepted. Why? We shall see. Q0 upon accepting A is going to reach the Q1 state. Q1 upon accepting B, it is going to reach the Q2 state. Q2 upon accepting A, it is going to reach the Q1 state, Q0 state. Q2 upon accepting the B, it is going to reach the Q0 state. Q0 upon accepting the B, it is going to reach the Q0 state. See, it is not accepting. So we should not write the Q0 also here. We should not write Q0 also here. Hence, this Q0 should be removed. Hence, this Q0 should be removed. So, what is remaining? Q1 is remaining. Is this correct? Yes, correct. Absolutely correct. Q0 upon accepting A, it is going to reach the Q0 upon accepting A, it is going to reach the Q1. Q0 upon accepting A, sorry, Q2 upon accepting A, it is going to reach the Q1. Okay, let us verify the equation. Q0 upon accepting A, it is going to reach the Q1. Q1 upon accepting B, it is going to reach the Q2. Q2 upon accepting A, it is going to reach the Q1. Q1 upon accepting B, it is going to reach the Q2. Q2 upon accepting B, it is going to reach the Q3. Yes, correct. Hence, the correct answer is Q1. We should write Q1 here. So, Q2 upon accepting A, it is going to reach the Q1 state. It is going to reach the Q1 state. Okay. This thing also over. Remaining two things we need to identify. Let's see. Fourth one, that is Q3 upon accepting A. Where it should reach. Start with the Q0. Q0 upon accepting A, B, B. It is going to reach Q3 state. Because I am skipping writing these two states. Understand? Writing these two states I am skipping. I am not skipping these two states. But writing those two states I am skipping. So, Q0 upon accepting A, B, B, it is going to reach Q3 state. I am writing directly final state. You can also write Q0 upon accepting A, Q1, Q1 upon accepting B, Q2, Q2 upon accepting B, Q3. You can write like that also. You can write like that also. But I am writing directly. Okay. Because it is not required here. Q3 upon accepting A, where it should reach. That thing we don't know. That thing we don't know. What we should do? We shall find. Starting with the Q3. Starting with the Q3. Q3 upon accepting A, it is going to reach the Q3 state. Is it correct? Let us check. Q3 upon accepting A, it is going to reach the Q3 state. I will take a equation A, B, B, A. A, B, B, A. Whether this should be accepted or not? No, it should not be accepted according to the question. But this DF is accepting A, B, B, A. Q0 upon accepting A, Q1, Q1 upon accepting B, Q2, Q2 upon accepting B, B, Q3, Q3 upon accepting A, Q3. It is accepted, but this should not be accepted. Hence, Q3 cannot be written here. Q3 cannot be written here. Let's go to Q2. Let us go to Q2. Q3 upon accepting A, it is going to reach the Q2 state. Q3 upon accepting A, it is going to reach the Q3 state. Okay, I will consider the equation A, B, B, A, B, A, B, B, A, B. Whether this should be accepted or not? No, it should not be accepted according to the question. But thus DF is accepting. Q0 upon accepting A, Q1, Q1 upon accepting B, Q2, Q2 upon accepting B, Q3, Q3 upon accepting A, Q2, Q2 upon accepting B, Q3. This is accepting. But you should not accept. So Q2 also wrong. This is also wrong. Then what is remaining? Q0. Q0 is remaining. Okay. Q3 upon accepting which one? A. It is going to reach the Q0 state. Q3 upon accepting A, it is going to reach the Q0 state. Let us consider a equation like this. Let us consider a equation like this. What should be the equation? A, B, B, A, B, B. A, B, B, A, B, B, A, B, B. Whether this should be accepted or not? Yes, it should be accepted because we have given A, B, B. Okay. Q0 upon accepting A, Q1, Q1 upon accepting B, Q2, Q2 upon accepting B, Q3, Q3 upon accepting A, Q0, Q0 upon accepting A, Q, Q0, Q0 upon accepting B, Q, Q0, Q0 upon accepting B, Q0. It is not accepting. But what is our requirement? The DFA should accept. So Q0 also fails. Previously I have written Q0 also fails. Then what is remaining? What is remaining? What is remaining? Tell me. This one also fails. We cannot write Q0 also. The remaining thing is Q1. The remaining thing is Q1. Okay. We shall check for that also. Sorry, this one is A. This one is A. We shall check for that also. Same equation, same string, A, B, B, A, B, B. A, B, B, A, B. Q0 upon accepting A, Q1, Q1 upon accepting B, Q2, Q2 upon accepting B, Q3, Q3 upon accepting A, it is going to reach Q1, Q1 upon accepting B, Q2, Q2 upon accepting B, Q3. Done. This is correct answer. Q1 is a correct answer. Q1 is a correct answer. It is accepting the equation. Suppose, check one more equation. I will write A, B here. I will write A, B here. Up to this, Q0 upon accepting A, B, B, Q0 upon accepting A, Q1, Q1 upon accepting B, Q2, Q2 upon accepting Q2 upon accepting B, Q2 upon accepting B, Q3, Q3 upon accepting A, Q1, Q1 upon accepting Q1 upon accepting B, Q2, Q2 upon accepting B, Q3, Q3 upon accepting A, Q3 upon accepting A, Q1, Q1 upon accepting B, Q2. It is not accepting. Whether it should be accepted or not? No, it should not be accepted. Hence, it is not accepting. So, the Q1 is a correct answer. Q3 upon accepting A, it is going to reach the Q1 state. That is this. Q3 upon accepting A, it is going to reach the Q1 state. It is going to reach the Q1 state. Q1 state. Okay. Last thing is Q3 upon accepting B. I will write it directly. Q1 upon accepting A, B, B, it is going to reach the Q3. Q3 upon accepting B, it is going to reach some state. That state we don't know. That state we don't know. Okay, what we should do now? We should find. Starting with the Q3. Starting with the Q3 as usual. Q3 upon accepting B. Q3 upon accepting B, it is going to reach the same state. Let us consider the equation A, B, A, B. This equation must be accepted or not. According to the question, it should not be accepted. But according to the DFA, it is going to be accepted. A, B, B, P. A, B, B. It is going to accept. But according to the question, this is not be accepted. So Q3 also fails. Next Q2. Let us go to Q2. Let us go to Q2. Q2 like this. Q2. Let us consider a equation upon accepting Q2, that is upon accepting B. This one should not be accepted according to the equation because it should end with the ABB. It should end with the ABB. But the DFA is accepting. The equation. This one should be accepted or not. But the DFA is accepting the equation ABB. So Q2 also fails. What is remaining? Q1. Q1 is remaining. Let us write a let us consider Q1 also. Q1 upon accepting B. A, B, B. This one must be accepted or not? It must not be accepted. It should not be accepted. But the DFA is accepting. A, B, again B, again B. It is accepting. The DFA is accepting. Hence, this also fails. A, B. According to the equation, according to the question, this must be accepted or not. According to the question, this must not be accepted, but the DFA is accepting here. A, B, again B, again B, again B. It is accepting. It should not accept. Hence, writing a Q1 also wrong. Writing a Q1 also wrong. Then what is remaining? Remaining thing is Q0. Writing a Q0. We shall check writing a Q0 is correct or not. Writing B here. Writing a B here. A, B, A, B. Consider a string like this. This must be accepted or not? Yes, it must be accepted because it is ending with the ABB. Okay, Q0 upon accepting A, Q1 upon accepting B, Q2 upon accepting B, Q3 upon accepting B, Q0 upon accepting A, Q1 upon accepting B, Q2 upon accepting B, Q3. Am I right? Yes. This thing is accepted by a DFA. Hence, the correct answer is here Q0. That is Q3 upon accepting B is going to reach the Q0. This is a required DFA. For the particular question. So we shall write a DFA. That is the formal DFA. Q sigma delta F and finally Q0. Q is a states, without the states. Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. These are the state. Delta is in alphabets. Without the alphabets, A and B. Q naught is the starting state. Which is the starting state? Which is the starting state? Q naught is the starting state. Which is the final state? F is the final state. Q3 is the final state. Sorry, this is the Q naught. This is the delta. This is a transition function. This is a transition function. Q naught is a starting state. Q naught is a starting state. Okay. We shall write a transition table for this. We shall write a transition table for this. The transition table is like this. AB, sorry, I have written AB, Q naught, Q1, Q2, Q3. Q3 is the final state. So I will put it a star. I will put it as a star. Q naught is a starting state. This is the Q naught with the arrow mark because it is a starting state. Q naught upon accepting A, Q1. Q naught upon accepting B, Q naught. Q1 upon accepting A, Q1. Q1 upon accepting B, Q2. Q2 upon accepting A, Q2. Q2 upon accepting B, it is going to Q2 upon accepting A, it is going to reach Q1. Q2 upon accepting B, it is going to reach Q3 state. Q3 upon accepting A, it is going to reach Q1 state. Am I correct? Yes, Q1 state. Q3 upon accepting B, it is going to reach the Q0 state. This is a required DFA for the particular question, and this is a required transition diagram along with the transition table. This is a delta. I should write delta here. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. In the further video, we will be discussing in detail about all the questions. Thank you.